Imagine a future where India's space missions are driven not only by brilliant scientists but also by powerful artificial intelligence, where robots, neural networks, and cutting edge tech take on missions once reserved for humans. Welcome to a world where ISRO's AI is reshaping space exploration. Faster, smarter, safer. Let's rewind to the present. Under the leadership of Dr. S. Somanath, ISRO is turning science fiction into reality. AI isn't just a buzzword here. It's a silent partner in every rocket launch, every satellite image, every cosmic discovery. Think about satellites orbiting Earth. Every second, they're snapping images and sending data home. But what next? That's where AI steps in. Behind the scenes, ISRO's satellites use AI for powerful image recognition. Picture this. A satellite scans thousands of kilometers and instantly identifies cars, trees, ships, troop movement, sometimes warning authorities before the images even download to Earth. This isn't just faster, it's revolutionary. AI can tag movements, track animals, improve agriculture forecasts, and even assist healthcare from space. Narrate the story of a remote region where satellite images powered by AI warn of floods, saving lives before disaster strikes. AI's reach doesn't stop at satellites. In rocket launches, onboard AI engines analyze live data. Is everything perfect? Any fault? Should we abort or save the crew? Robots and AI scan hundreds of rocket X-rays, spot defects, and ensure safer missions. Think of the precision of a surgeon now applied to rocket science. Now let's jump to tomorrow. Picture robots as our next explorers, their sensors feeding experiences back to us, vision, touch, even temperature, so we can climb Everest or step on Mars, all from home. Dr. Somanath predicts that by the 2040s, robots will be superior to humans in space missions. Dexterity, adaptability, and risk management will surpass anything we've seen. But don't worry, humans remain at the helm, controlling their robotic partners from Earth. Will AI ever truly replicate human intelligence or emotion? Maybe not, but their capabilities will transform dangerous, costly missions. Deploying swarms of AI-powered satellites, real-time asteroid mining, risk-free lunar outpost construction, and generational space travel. Explain how signal transmission works, a sphere of light echoing forever, covering more of the universe bit by bit. ISRO is developing its own AI hardware and software. Teams collaborating to ensure each rocket, probe, and system is smarter than ever. The progress is astonishing. AI-driven image analysis for defense, climate, agriculture, onboard mission safety, and emergency decisions. Non-destructive evaluation, using X-ray vision. Healthcare advancements, inspired by AI diagnostics. Can you imagine the next 100 years of technology from here? Would you travel to Mars if you could experience it through a robot's senses? Drop a comment, share your thoughts, and subscribe for more incredible stories from India's space journey.